Now let's listen to how they sound like. Just for the sake of comparing, I actually got you one of the Google Donuts here. Let's see how it compares to the Lenovo's smart clock. So for the start, I will be playing music one device after another, and we'll compare the loudness, the quality of the music, and how it all performs. This is how it sounds on the phone. I specifically found copyright-free music that allows us to play the music without being banned by YouTube. Okay, now let's share it to the Google device. So you can hear the sound is pretty clear and it's pretty loud, but let's see how 8-inch Lenovo is actually doing it. This is a medium setting. You feel that? I can barely hear myself. And the sound is a lot clearer, as well as it's a lot more dynamic and it has more bass to it. This also could be due to the larger speaker and that it's facing the person rather than being played at the back of the screen. Plus, I haven't done any additional volume settings and sound settings on this device. I'm pretty sure you can actually make it better. Now next, we are going to a 10-inch device. That's max. How about hip hop and R&B? Right, let's try on the 8-inch screen. It feels the bass, right? So now with the higher bass, Lenovo speaker actually fails a little. It's definitely easier to hear the lower frequency sound on the larger Lenovo 10-inch screen. But now, let's actually see what this little guy can do over here. Just before I play it though, the only downside of these two devices, you cannot stream the sound from YouTube directly to them. So you have to have a Google Music account. For the purpose of this exercise, I found a royalty-free music that should allow us to test the sound of the devices. First, we're gonna listen to the Lenovo smart clock and hear its might and power here. Okay, slowly increasing it. Out of all of them, this is the loudest device. That's how loud it gets. Now let's try to switch it to a different speaker, to the Google Home Hub. Actually loud. So definitely on a medium volume setting, it actually plays better because you can hear bass. At the max level, it's a bit more dispersed, but you still can hear it. But boy, I have to say, I'm taking my words back. The Google Home Mini plays better than the Lenovo. Let's listen to it again, just in case. This is a medium setting now. You cannot hear the bass here at all. But I think it has more bass when it plays louder. Huh? So here's the difference. The Lenovo clock plays better on the higher volume setting, while the Google Mini, I'm already confused about the names for the Googles, Google Nest Mini version 1 plays better on the medium volume settings, and it has more bass to it and depth of the sound. I think I should test it the same way one more time between the Google Home Hub versus a larger 10-inch screen on a medium volume setting. Let's have a look. Again, this is a medium setting. Maximum. Now going back to the 10-inch. It's playing at maximum. I would say it also has a better sound at the higher volume level compared to the Home Hub, while Home Hub is playing better at the medium volume setting. Alright, so the sound verdict. I definitely think that Google has a better sound, it has a better quality of it, the depth, separate notes play better at the medium volume level. Lenovo speakers are pretty loud. They're louder than the Google ones, but they're not as great on the medium settings, but they hold it pretty well at the max volume levels. The same thing I can say about the Google Home Mini and the Lenovo Smart Clock. It's definitely a decent device, especially for the price of it during the Black Friday sale and the upcoming Boxing Day. But then don't get me wrong, this guy over here is slightly outdated. Google has a brand new version out in the market, and I'm yet to test it. At the same time, I think out of all these speakers, I would definitely say that Google Home Hub wins the competition. And one last bit, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video, like it, and leave a comment for a chance to win this awesome Lenovo smart clock. I'll ship it worldwide as soon as we reach at least 100 subscribers. For those of you who want to know more about the Home Hub, I have a separate video available down here.